If you like this video or find the information useful, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have an idea about a repair or want to see a certain video covering a repair or topic, let me know. Drop me a comment and I'll see if I can do it for you. No guarantees, but if there's enough viewer interest, I might be able to do it for you. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, we show you how to adjust an old Genie garage door opener. This particular garage door opener is pulling the door open too far and it's causing the door to jam up. I'll show you what I mean and we'll go ahead with the adjustments. So we're going to go ahead and open the garage door. We're going to stop it just before it opens all the way. Now, as you see, this is an older style garage door and garage door opener. And the reason this was stopped early is because once this is allowed to open up too far, this is going to start jamming up and this door is going to be pretty hard to go ahead and push down and close by hand. You could do it, but you'd have to go ahead and hit the manual button. There's a manual lever here that if it gets jammed up, you go ahead and hit this lever. See, now it free floats. But if you wanted to run on the track here, where the motor can lower and raise the door, you have to click it. Now it's locked again. Now the motor will activate it and the door will open and close. So basically this is going up too far when you try to open it and getting jammed up, because this little switch here, this is a limit switch, and when this metal bar touches this plastic lever, it tells the motor to shut off. This never gets close enough to touch the bar, which is why this goes ahead and jams up. So let's go in and adjust it. Adjusting it basically involves loosening up this screw here. This is a hex screw. The size on yours may vary, but we'll go ahead and we'll double check the size of this here before we make any adjustments. So you go ahead and loosen it up, and then you can slide it back and forth depending upon how long you can go. This here, this wire actually keeps it from going too far forward. So if this here, when the wire's tight, if this is far enough to allow the lever to get hit by this piece, and if it actually stops, you're okay. If not, then you'll have to go ahead and cut this wire off and splice in a longer section of wire and then let it go forward a little longer until this lever gets touched by this. So let's try it here with the existing length of wire. This might be long enough. So we're going to go ahead and push this forward and we're going to go ahead and tighten it up. And let's see here, for the size of the nut, we have a, what size is this? This looks like it's a 1/4 inch, at least on this particular nut here. So, all right, we'll go ahead and we'll pull this tight. Excuse the shaking of the camera here, but you see this thing we're just pushing it this way, pushing it that way, and tightening at the same time. So let's see if we can get this guy to tighten up right. Okay, now it's tightening up. Again, it's tightening up on a metal and aluminum track here. So let's tighten up some more. See if we can get this guy to behave better. Okay, fairly tight. We'll tighten it up a little more later off camera, but it's tight enough now that it won't move if you go ahead and try to push it. So let's go ahead and we'll close the door and let's see if this can get activated. See that metal lever? The plastic hits the metal and the metal goes up and down. Once this spring here, or this piece of metal touches this, hits the metal and it stops it, or it should. So let's see how this goes. All right. Okay, let's go. And close. Okay, and let's go ahead and open. All right, very good. So it went to the absolute top, and it did not go any further, and the door would have jammed up. So successful. As you can see here on this side, see there's two metal legs from that switch, and the switch of course slides back and forth on this metal rail. So tightening it up at the new position further forward allowed it to be hit by that piece of metal, so stopping the door. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you fix your garage door problem.